ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So, children, we were in the discussion of question answers, isn't it? यही कर रहे थे ना हम लोग?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So, let's continue with it. Anybody has any problem in the question A, B, and C?
No, ma'am. Ma'am.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
ठीक है?
No, ma'am.
We will start with E. Let us start with E. Others, please mute your mic. Okay, let us start now. Discussion of question answer of chapter 5, question number E1. First, I will discuss question E, then if anybody will be having problem, we will come to question D also. Let us come to E1, page number 77. All of you have joined the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Still they are coming.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me.
And 34 participants are there. No, ma'am, 35.
Okay. Chalo. First question. Question answer E1. In the arrangement shown in the figure, A, B, C, D are help of wax. The circular metal loop is heated at the point A with the help of candle flame. In which order would the pin fall if AB is a now which what will be the sequence of falling of this pins? Can anybody just guess? जब AB distance जो है वो DC से कम है तो naturally the distance which is less will or which is in direct contact with the heat that will fall first. So pin A will fall first, then B will fall, and then for the heat to travel from B to C, in the meantime, it will travel from A to D. Then the third one will be your D and then the C. So the sequence will be A, B, D, C. Sequence will be A, B, D, C. First A, B, D, and C. You will write like this. Then come to give reason for the following. Question 1. Iron rims are heated red hot before fixing them on cart wheels. Because iron expands on heating. Because iron expands on heating. Then question number 2B. is just you have to give the reason. So you just write iron expands on heating. A clinical, this shows thermal expansion, but you will write the reason iron expands on heating. You have to give the reason. A clinical thermometer has a slight bend or kink in its capillary tube to hold the mercury in the bulb for some time. To hold the mercury in the bulb for some time, and this is called constriction. To hold the mercury in the band for some time, this is called constriction. Or you can take the help of page number 65 also. The constriction this way or that way. The constriction ensures that mercury does not fall back by itself after this thermometer has been used to measure the temperature of the person. So you just write down that the mercury does not fall down quickly and be there in the vent for some time, and this is called constriction. You can write in this simple language. A new quilt is warmer than the old one. 68 page number. Point number 4. A new quilt is warmer than an old one because they trap a layer of air between themselves and our body, and such trapping of air is much better in new quilt than in old one. Our body heat then does not easily escape out. They trap the layer of air between themselves and our body, and such trapping of air is much better in a new quilt than in an old one. Next one. Completed? Till here you all have completed? Okay. A brass tumbler feels much cooler than a wooden tray on a chilly day because metals are good conductors of heat. Because metals are good conductors of heat. Then the bottoms of cooking utensils are often kept black because black color absorbs heat better than other colors. Because black color absorbs heat better than other colors. Because black colors absorb heat better than other colors. Next question, E3. Akshit visited Rishikesh for river rafting during summer holidays. A campsite there, at a campsite there were 2 tents. One made with a black fabric and the other with a white fabric. Which one should Akshit prefer? Give reason for the choice. Should Akshit prefer the same tent during winters? Write down. He should prefer white tent. He should prefer white tent because white color reflects the heat because white color reflects the heat of the sun, and as it is summer season, he should avoid black colors because more heat is absorbed by black colors. Then the question is, should Akshit prefer the same tent during winter? You will write no. Here you can just give the example that black colors absorb heat. So in winter, he will feel warm in that tent. You can write other or directly you can write no also. Explain briefly how winds are caused. Come to page number 69. The second last paragraph. When the air at a place gets heated up, it expands and occupies more space. It therefore becomes lighter. The air pressure at that place then gets lowered. Hence, air from surrounding place, or you can omit this word hence. Air from surrounding place cells rush in to take the vacated place. This setup of convection currents in air leading to winds and storms. Nupur. So here is why doing an experiment in science laboratory, kept a laboratory thermometer P 10 centimeter away on one side of flame of a candle. Her friends Ria kept a similar thermometer Q 10 centimeter above the flame of the candle shown in the figure. The answer will be Q. In which thermometer, P or Q, the rise in temperature will be faster? It will be in Q because when air gets heated, it rises up and it becomes lighter and rises up. You will write like this. When air gets heated, it becomes lighter and rises up. Sakshi?
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody till
Yes,
here you
ma'am.
have any problem? You have understood the answer of question number 5?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay. So let's come to question number 6. In the
Okay.
two setups X and Y shown on the next page, the wires AB and PQ are made of the same material and have equal thickness. The length of AB is equal to diameter of semicircle formed by the wire PQ. In the setup Y, pins P1 and P2 are attached to the wires AB and PQR respectively with the help of wax. Which of the two pins, P1 or P2, will fall off later? Give reason for your answer. It will be P2 because it will have to travel larger distance. Everything is similar, but the area which it has to cover, this you will not write, I am telling you to understand. You will write in P2 pin will fall later because it has to travel larger distance. Now come to value-based question. During the summer holidays, Ridhika went to visit her grandparents in her village. During her morning walks, she observed that a girl in the village would play very good music on her own made musical instrument. Ridhika was very much impressed by her skill and wanted to learn playing that instrument from her. She, however, felt hesitant to ask to her to teach her. When she discussed her problem with her mother, she advised her to politely and keenly request that girl to teach her that skill. She told Ritika that just as heat always flows from a hot object to a cold object, knowledge and skill always flows to a people from her or his mentor. State the values displayed by Ritika's mother. What are the values over here? Can anybody tell me? About the Ritika's mother. Anybody? Please try.
Ma'am, the value displayed by Ritika's mother is that the heat always flow from from a hot object to a cold object. Knowledge and skill always flow to a pupil from her or his mentor.
So you just tell me one word. What are the through one word you can explain that
Polite value. Polite value.
politeness you can say that if you are polite, if you are in a requesting mode, then you can take the help of the others also. Name the 3 different modes of transfer of heat and give one example of each. What are the 3 different modes of transfer of heat?
Ma'am, conduction, convection, and radiation.
Yes, good. Conduction, convection, and radiation. Then one example of each you have to write. Cooking of food. You can say cooking of food in a vessel or utensil or frying pan, or heating a water in convection, heating
The
of
example of-
water to change it
Ma'am,
into
cooking
water.
food. Ma'am,
These
cooking.
all examples.
Ma'am,
Bolo.
Ma'am, melting of a chocolate bar in the school bag on a hot day is
Yes,
the
melting
example of
chocolate
radiation.
bar also you can say. वो भी बोल सकते हो आप.
Okay, ma'am.
Then have a group talk in which a student talk about how they learned some skill from a mentor. Now these are the general questions which we can answer at the our own also. आप एक ग्रुप टॉक कर सकते हो जिसमें कि किसी भी mentor से और teacher से how you learn the skill. Anybody who is teaching you any of the skill is known as a teacher. You can call him mentor also, or you can call him teacher. Now, children, once again, एक बार मैं objective question revise करवा देना चाहती हूँ. कल भी छूट गया था, कल वो नोट कर लीजिए. या किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो बोलो किसी क्वेश्चन में.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you repeat E6?
E6.
Yes, ma'am.
Write down. Pin P2 will fall off later because heat will have to travel larger distance. A longer distance, you can say longer will be the appropriate, longer distance. Because
Okay,
heat
ma'am.
will have to travel longer distance. किसी और बच्चे को किसी क्वेश्चन में प्रॉब्लम है?
Ma'am, C3.
Ma'am, C4. Ma'am, E4.
में आप लिखो. लिखना है which one should Akshita prefer? Akshita should prefer white color tent because it reflects heat. Because it reflects heat in as it is the summer season. Some noise is coming, Anshika, from your background. So, as it is summer season, black color tent will absorb more heat. So we should avoid it, or Akshita should avoid it. Then should Akshita prefer the same tent during winter? You will write no, because in winter we can take black colored tents which are good absorbent of heat to protect from winter season.
Cool.
Then question number 4 you ask. Explain briefly how winds are caused. For that you will turn to page number 69. 69 है, second last paragraph. When the air at the place gets heated up, it expands and occupies more space. It therefore becomes lighter and moves up. The air pressure at that place then gets lowered. Air from surrounding places rushes in to take the vacated place. This setup convection currents in air leading to winds and storms.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Then
Yes,
एक बार
ma'am.
objective quickly देख लो एक बार objective question. Fill in the blanks. Heat is a form of energy. The range of clinical thermometer is from 35 degrees centigrade to 42 degrees centigrade. Water is a bad conductor of heat. Land and sea breezes help to maintain the temperature of air. Transfer of heat from sun to the earth takes place mainly through the process of radiation. Right, true, false? Heat cannot be produced by doing work. False. No gaps are left between the rails of railway track. False. Poor conductors of heat are also good insulators of heat. True. Ventilators, when provided in rooms, are located near their roofs. True. A material medium is required for transfer of heat by the process of radiation. False. A copper ball at 30 degrees centigrade is put in a container containing water at 30 degrees centigrade. In this case, there would be no transfer of heat between the copper ball and water. The reading of laboratory thermometer in the figure shown is 15 degrees centigrade. It is not convenient to use the laboratory thermometer to measure our body temperature. This is because as the thermometer is taken out from the mouth, the level of mercury in it immediately starts falling. When we hold our hand close to the side of the flame, they get warmed mainly due to radiation. The freezer compartment in a refrigerator is usually put near its top, provides good cooling throughout the refrigerator. Through the good conductivity of air. Then D1. In which direction does the transfer of heat normally takes place? Transfer of heat normally takes place from hot objects to colder objects. What is the cause of heat generation in the following situation? We apply brakes on our fast moving car due to friction. People often jump up and down to feel warmer in cold weather. Here we are using our muscular energy. State two types of physical change that may take place when a substance is heated. Changing of water into water vapor and melting of ice. In what ways does a clinical thermometer differ from ordinary thermometer? It is given on page number 65. Point number 1 and 2, it is calibrated from 35 degree to 42 degree only. This is because this is the range over which the temperature of normal human body can vary. It has a slight bend or kink in its capillary tube. This kink is given the name constriction. State the mode or different modes of heat transfer in the following situation. A paper cup full up of hot soup lying on a table. Conduction. Cooking vegetables in a pan. Conduction. Melting of chocolate bar in the school bag on a hot day. Radiation. Cooking food in a microwave oven. Convection.
convection.
What is meant by sea breach? When does it occur? Page number 70. The air above the land gets heated up more quickly and rises up. Cooler air from above the sea then rushes in to take its place. We call this movement of air as sea breeze. It takes place during the daytime. Now it is, all of you have marked. सबका हो गया है?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you repeat these three? Changing of water vapor into water vapor के बाद.
Which one? D3.
One. Ma'am, repeat.
Water into water vapor and melting. Second one is melting of ice.
Ma'am,
You
repeat.
have two types of physical change. So changing of water vapor is the first one, and second is melting of ice.
Ma'am, repeat E1.
Which one?
E1.
E1.
Yes, ma'am.
You will write the in which question is in which order would the pins fall? If AB is smaller than AD, the pins will fall in the sequence A, B, D, C. The pins will fall in the sequence of A, B, C, D, C, not CD. A, B, D, C.